Do you have a problem with your heating, ventilation, or air conditioning system? Does the temperature in your property become unbearable due to these issues? A poor heating, ventilation, or air conditioning system can not only make your property very uncomfortable and leave you at the mercy of bad weather, but also could be bad for your health. This is why you need to take charge and hire a professional contractor like us to fix your damaged HVAC system and prevent issues from happening down the line. Our team is made up of licensed, insured, and certified professionals with extensive knowledge on a wide variety of HVAC systems and are also available to serve your needs quickly and professionally. Listen, don't let a poor HVAC system cause damage to your health and property before you take action. Contact us today for a free consultation. We look forward to hearing from you.